Twin Lakes is one of the premier 55-plus active adult lifestyle communities in Central Florida. Ideally located on the tranquil shores of Live Oak Lake in St. Cloud, you'll enjoy boating, fishing, kayaking, canoeing, and amenities usually reserved for the finest lakefront resorts in this beautiful guard-gated community. Jones Homes USA is the exclusive builder, with construction starting in 2016, with plans for about 2,000 villa and single-family homes. They offer a variety of innovative home designs and floor plans with a combination of luxury features and amenities. The clubhouse for Twin Lakes is currently under construction to be completed by fall 2021. The fitness center, resort-style pool, and sports courts are built on the lakefront, offering fantastic recreational opportunities for the community. The attached homes come in 4 unique floor plans that offer 1,350 square feet to 1,450 square feet of living space. These homes have 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 to 2.5 bathrooms, and an attached 1 or 2 car garage. There are 8 single-family floor plans offering 1 or 2 story designs and offer about 1,600 square feet to 3,150 square feet. These homes have 1 to 3 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, and an attached 2 or 3 car garage. These homes feature large open living rooms, gourmet kitchens, formal dining rooms, luxurious master suites, and covered living areas. The location is about 20 minutes to Orlando International Airport and about 30 minutes to both downtown Orlando and the Melbourne Beach on the Atlantic coast. Attractions like Disney, SeaWorld, and Universal Studios are close for when the grandkids visit and can be reached in about 30 minutes. Highway 192 is close with unlimited options of restaurants, shopping, and entertainment. Twin Lakes is also close to several healthcare providers including UCF Medical City, Osceola Regional Medical Center, and Orlando Health Hospital. Golfing options are abundant and close with Kissimmee Bay Country Club, Harmony Golf Preserve, and Remington Golf Club within a 20-minute drive. Contact us directly to set up your new build tour or with any questions. Contact Kim Callender at 407-927-9363 or at info@orlandorealtysolutions.com.